I think this is part of the reality that we miss out on, is the weather. You know, of course it's all around us, and you know, we're aware of it to a certain extent, but we're not to another. You know, it's completely removed from us. You know, we proof ourselves up with clothes that repel. It doesn't just protect us from the weather, it actually repels the weather. And so there's a certain repulsion we have towards the weather. But when you come up to the hills, part of the beauty of hill walking is weathering. It's a natural weathering, so you're not just walking, but you're effectively weathering as well as a verb. And to weather means to receive, to be open, to have this sort of open being, which receives and does not repel the weather, which embraces it. To a certain extent. I mean, we're not talking about naked rambling, but, you know, clothes within reason. And I think nowadays it's very easy to get carried away, you know, with these weatherproofed clothings, and you miss out on this sort of weathering, which of course is at the same time a seasoning of the self. And when you come up here, when you hill walk, you see this. You don't just feel it, but you see the weather walking as well. Over here, this squall, this shower walking through the valley. And so in many ways, we are weather, not just in the physical sense that it creates us. Without it we wouldn't be here, but we weather ourselves, we affect others and are affected by the topography of being, which changes our weather, our moods and atmospheres. And so I think to proof yourself up against the weather is a sign that not just that you've lost control of your greater self, but that you've been duped by others into buying into something that you don't actually need.